Have you been drinking a lot of coffee lately? Today we are talking about what would happen if you ditch caffeine for only 30 days. So, stay tuned to learn all its benefits. Hello dear friends and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Come on and join us as we deep dive into today's video and how going caffeine-free can improve your energy and overall health. What is caffeine? Caffeine is a natural stimulant most commonly found in coffee, tea, and various energy drinks. It works by stimulating the central nervous system, helping to improve focus, reduce fatigue, and increase alertness. Its widespread use makes it one of the most popular psychoactive substances in the world. Where is caffeine? Caffeine is present in several commonly consumed items, including coffee, the most well-known source, with varying caffeine levels depending on the type and preparation. Tea, found in both black and green teas, though in lesser amounts than coffee. Energy drinks, often contain high levels of caffeine to boost energy and alertness. Soft drinks, many sodas include caffeine, particularly cola drinks. Chocolate, contains small amounts of caffeine, especially dark chocolate. Medications, some over-the-counter medications and weight loss supplements include caffeine as an ingredient. What are the qualities of caffeine? Caffeine is known for its stimulating effects on the central nervous system. It can increase alertness, helps keep you awake and alert. Enhance concentration, improves focus and cognitive function. Boost physical performance, temporarily enhances physical endurance and strength, for people who train. Elevate mood, can improve mood by stimulating dopamine production. How much caffeine is recommended for a day? The recommended daily intake of caffeine varies based on individual tolerance and health conditions. However, general guidelines suggest adults up to 400 milligrams per day, roughly equivalent to 4 cups of coffee of 8 ounces. Pregnant women, up to 200 milligrams per day to reduce the risk of complications. Adolescents, no more than 100 milligrams per day due to increased sensitivity. It's important to consider all sources of caffeine throughout the day to stay within these recommended limits. How to know if you are caffeine dependent? Dependence on caffeine can develop over time, especially with regular, high consumption. Signs of caffeine dependence include cravings, a strong desire to consume caffeine to feel alert. Withdrawal symptoms, experiencing headaches, irritability, fatigue, or difficulty concentrating when not consuming caffeine. Tolerance, needing to consume more caffeine over time to achieve the same stimulating effects. Difficulty reducing intake, struggling to cut back or stop caffeine consumption despite wanting to. What are the negative effects of caffeine? While caffeine has its benefits, excessive consumption can lead to several negative effects on health. Anxiety. High doses can cause anxiety and jitteriness due to overstimulation of the nervous system. Insomnia, interferes with sleep patterns, leading to difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. Digestive issues, can cause stomach upset, acid reflux, and diarrhea. Increased heart rate, may lead to palpitations or an increased heart rate, particularly in sensitive individuals. Dependence and withdrawal. Regular use can lead to dependence, with withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability. High blood pressure. Excessive intake can cause a temporary spike in blood pressure, which may be problematic for those with hypertension. What happens when you go 30 days without caffeine? Eliminating caffeine for 30 days can lead to several amazing effects. 1. Improved sleep quality. Without caffeine, many people experience better, more restful sleep and have an easier time falling asleep and wake up recharged, ready to take on the day. 2. Reduced anxiety. Lowered stimulation of the nervous system can lead to decreased feelings of anxiety and jitteriness. 3. Enhanced natural energy levels. The body learns to regulate its own energy levels more effectively without the artificial boost from caffeine, leading to more stable energy throughout the day. 4. Better digestion. Removal of caffeine can alleviate stomach issues, acid reflux, and improve overall digestive health. 5. Reduced blood pressure. A reduction in caffeine intake can help lower blood pressure, benefiting cardiovascular health. 6. Improved mood stability. Without the highs and lows associated with caffeine consumption, mood can become more stable and balanced. 7. Decreased dependence. Breaking the cycle of dependence can lead to a greater sense of freedom and control over one's diet and habits. How to avoid caffeine side effects. To minimize the side effects of caffeine, consider the following strategies. Gradual reduction. Slowly reduce your caffeine intake rather than quitting abruptly to minimize withdrawal symptoms. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to help flush out caffeine and stay hydrated. Healthy food plan. Eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, healthy fats and high-quality proteins, to support overall health and energy levels. Regular exercise. Exercise can help boost energy naturally and improve sleep quality. Mindful consumption. Be mindful of all sources of caffeine, including hidden ones in medications and food. Herbal teas. Replace caffeinated drinks with herbal teas, which can provide a soothing alternative without caffeine. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, caffeine is a powerful natural stimulant. It works by stimulating the central nervous system, enhancing alertness, improving concentration, and boosting physical performance. This widespread consumption makes caffeine one of the most popular psychoactive substances globally. Caffeine is present in various commonly consumed items. Coffee, the most well-known source, varies in caffeine content depending on its type and preparation. Tea, both black and green, contains less caffeine than coffee but still contributes significantly. Energy drinks are often packed with high caffeine levels to provide a quick energy boost. Many soft drinks, particularly colas, include caffeine as well. Even chocolate, especially dark chocolate, contains small amounts of caffeine. Additionally, some over-the-counter medications and weight loss supplements incorporate caffeine to enhance their effects. Caffeine's qualities primarily involve its stimulating effects on the central nervous system. It increases alertness, helps keep you awake, enhances concentration, and improves cognitive function. For those involved in physical training, caffeine can temporarily boost endurance and strength. Moreover, caffeine can elevate mood by stimulating dopamine production. The recommended daily intake of caffeine varies depending on individual tolerance and health conditions. For adults, up to 400 mg per day is considered safe, roughly equivalent to 4 cups of coffee of 8 ounces. Pregnant women should limit their intake to 200 mg per day to minimize the risk of complications. Adolescents should not exceed 100 mg per day due to their increased sensitivity. It's crucial to consider all sources of caffeine throughout the day to stay within these limits. Signs of caffeine dependence include strong cravings, experiencing withdrawal symptoms like headaches, irritability, fatigue, or difficulty concentrating when not consuming caffeine, developing a tolerance that necessitates increasing amounts to achieve the same stimulating effects, and difficulty reducing intake despite a desire to cut back. While caffeine has its benefits, excessive consumption can lead to several negative effects on health. High doses can cause anxiety and jitteriness due to overstimulation of the nervous system. Caffeine can interfere with sleep patterns, leading to insomnia and difficulty staying asleep. Digestive issues such as stomach upset, acid reflux, and diarrhea can also result from high caffeine intake. Some individuals may experience increased heart rate or palpitations. Regular and high intake can lead to dependence, with withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Excessive caffeine intake can also cause a temporary spike in blood pressure, which may be problematic for those with hypertension. Eliminating caffeine for 30 days can lead to several amazing effects on overall health and well-being. 1. Improved sleep quality. 2. Reduced anxiety. 3. Enhanced natural energy levels. 4. Better digestion. 5. Reduced blood pressure. 6. Improved mood stability. 7. Decreased dependence. To minimize the side effects of caffeine, consider the following strategies. Gradual reduction, stay hydrated, have a healthy food plan, regular exercise, mindful consumption, and drink herbal teas. So, caffeine can offer certain benefits. Being mindful of its consumption and taking occasional breaks can lead to significant improvements in health and well-being. The journey of eliminating caffeine for 30 days reveals how our bodies can thrive naturally, promoting better sleep, reduced anxiety, and overall enhanced life quality. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to share it with your friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.